कर दूं. Okay, fine class. Very good morning. Let's take the today's headline of business in Hindustan Times newspaper. Okay, 33 Shivam. Please do the needful. 33 Shivam. 7806.
Indian spot gold rate and silver price on Monday, June 5, 2021. Sensex jumped to 111.04 points to 52,695 in opening season. Nifty, Jeff Bezos to stop down as Amazon CEO today. How is the business? 3 decades of reforms. Cup is only half full. It's called business.
Shivam, continue.
Yes, sir. In a first, Ether surprises Bitcoin in a number of daily active participants. Buddha idea 6 bankers not dilute cholesterol. Eminent economist says RBI must not print money to finance fiscal deficit. Jail eyes expansion in petrochemicals renewables, leaving long leases. Jeff Bezos set to exist as a Amazon CEO on Monday. Amazon Tata Sales Centers. Amazon Tata Sales Centers stricter e-commerce rules will hit business report. 11 companies to issue IPOs this month.
This is very important. 11 companies to issue IPOs this month. Now here it is, money.
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceed.
Kumaraswamy turns GST design monster symbol that limits states financial. Gold prices India see choppy week of global cues as Delta variant. Jim Whitehurst resigns as IBM president, shares dip most in 5 months.
Okay, fine. 74 Monu Kumar, 74 BBA.
Yes, sir. International Day of Cooperative today. All you need to know. Exports touches $95 billion in June quarter. Center to clarify on FDI in e-com sector shortly. Piyush Goyal. ECA evoked to curb pulse stock holding. Zomato eyes grocery delivery business as it seeks to buy stake in grocery.
Proceed.
India's exports grew 47% to $32.46 billion in June. Sensex surged 166 points to settle at
Monu Kumar surge nahi likha हुआ. It is not surge. Read properly. Surges 166 points to settle at 52,485. Nifty closes 42 points higher. London replaces Amsterdam as Europe's trading hub, first time after. SEBI bars Bitcoin official for insider trading for 3 months. LIC rolls out Saral pension scheme. Here's what you need to know. Okay, proceed.
Petrol price hiked again. Fuel crosses 100 marks in Chennai, 105 in Mumbai. India's spot gold rate and silver price on Friday, July
to 2021. With 2021 to 2022 fulfill economic goals. Japan's SoftBank invests $200 billion in largest crypto exchange of Brazil.
Okay, इसको हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. अब ये पुराना headlines है. Okay, fine, wait. Now next, who will be the next? Who wants to read? Who wants to read? Okay.
Yes, sir.
11 companies to issue IPOs this month. Okay. Read very properly. इस तरह से पढ़िए कि सब लोगों के दिमाग में याद रह जाए. ठीक है, पढ़िए.
GR Infra Projects, Glenmark Life Sciences, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, and Seven Island Shipping are among the companies which are expected to issue their initial public offering or IPOs.
Please note down. Please note down all the names of the companies. Notebook and pencil, please. I said pencil, not pen. सब लोगों को इंस्ट्रक्शन है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स रखेंगे जिस तरह स्कूल में रखते थे, उसमें पेंसिल, रबर और कटर और स्केल ये होना मैंडेटरी है. राइट? पेन भी रहना चाहिए. ठीक है, बट पेंसिल, रबर, कटर, स्केल मैंडेटरी. प्लीज प्रोसीड.
According to Mint Live, at least according to Mint Live, at
GR
least
Infra Projects. GR क्या है?
GR Infra Projects, Glenmark Life Sciences, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, and Seven Island Shipping are among the companies which are expected to issue their initial public offerings or IPOs in July. According to Mint Live, at least 11 companies are supposed to launch their IPOs to raise around 24,000 crore. There will come after 5 IPOs, including those of Dudla Dairy, Sona, Comstar, and KIMS in the previous month of June. India.
एक मिनट होल्ड करो. होल्ड. ये सारा नाम जो है कंपनीज का जो आईपीओ लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग्स, शेयर लॉन्च कर रहे हैं लोग. ठीक है, इसका हमको रेट चाहिए. मतलब आईपीओ जो लॉन्च हो रहा है तो किस रेट में लॉन्च हो रहा है.
यस सर.
डिस्कशन क्लियर है? जीआर इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स, ग्लेनमार्क लाइफ साइंस, उत्कर्ष स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक एंड सेवन आइलैंड्स शिपिंग.
जीआर बहुत
उसके बाद है जो महंगा जो सब रेट चाहिए हमको. ठीक है,
अभी बताएं.
अभी नहीं.
ओके सर.
वो सबका एक बार में तुमको एक ही का पता होगा ना सबका.
सब.
ठीक है, मतलब पूरा 11 का लिस्ट. ठीक है, 11 का लिस्ट एंड द प्राइस. ओके, प्रोसीड माय फ्रेंड.
Indian companies raised over 20,000 crore in the second half of 2020 and nearly 40,000 crore in the first half of this year. At least 20 companies have filed papers with SEBI to launch their IPOs. Have filed papers with SEBI to launch their IPOs in the second half of 2021 to raise more than 20 crore, and around 26 companies were awaiting the Securities and Exchange Board of India's SEBI approval to launch the initial share sale, reports have said.
Okay, proceed.
Here is the list of IPOs expected in July. GR Infra Projects. GR Infra Projects 3-day IPO will open for subscription on 7 July, and it comprises on offer for sale OFS of up to 11.5 million shares by promoters and shareholders, according to reports. GR Infra Projects had fixed a price band of 828 to 837 a share for its 963 crore initial share sale. Glenmark Life Sciences. Glenmark Life Sciences.
एक मिनट आयुष, hold. The price band is of 828 to 837. ठीक है, इसको भी नोटबुक में लिखिए. ओके, इस न्यूज़ को शेयर करना पड़ेगा उसमें ग्रुप में. ओके फाइन, ठीक है, प्रोसीड. आयुष प्रोसीड.
Glenmark Life Sciences. Glenmark Life Sciences IPO consists of fresh issue of share worth 1,160 crore and an offer of sale of up to 7.31 million shares by its present company Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Ltd. According to draft papers, proceeds from the fresh issue worth 900 crore will be used towards the payment of outstanding purchase consideration to the promoter for the spin of the API business and around 153 crore for funding the capital expenditure requirements.
Okay, fine.
Third,
But Glenmark it is not mentioned over here, right? Okay, find it out. Fine. Third,
Utkarsh, a small finance bank. Utkarsh, a small finance, plans to raise nearly 1,350 crore through its public offering. Its initial public offering comprises a fresh issue of 750 crore and an offer to sell by promoter Utkarsh Korean West Limited of up to 600 crore. The company received the market's regulators' observation on 3rd June. The Varanasi headquartered lender would utilize proceeds from the fresh issue to augment the Tier 1 capital base to meet future capital requirements.
Tier 1, TIER, Tier.
Tier 1. Shriram Properties. Shriram Properties is looking to raise 800 crore through its IPO. The Bengaluru-based company's initial public offer comprised a fresh issue of 250 crore and an offer for sale of up to 550 crore by current shareholders and promoters. Fifth, Seven Islands Shipping. Seven Islands IPO comprises a fundraise via fresh issue amounting to 400 crore and an offer for sale up to 200 crore by FIH.
Mauritius country hai.
Mauritius Investments. The Mumbai-based firm got SEBI's note to raise 600 crore through an initial share sales in April.
ठीक है, तो SEBI happens to be Security Exchange Board of India. Any company who wants to raise money from the market, from the public, so first the company has to get listed in SEBI. आप भी अगर अपनी कंपनी बनाएंगे और इशू शेयर लॉन्च करना है, आपको पैसा मतलब लेने के लिए पब्लिक से इन्वेस्टमेंट कराना है, तो पहले यू हैव टू लिस्ट इनटू सेबी. उसके बाद फिर सेबी विल ऑफर द गाइडलाइंस, विल गाइड यू that how much you are supposed to raise the fund. So Security Exchange Board of India happens to be the the point. ठीक है. Okay. Wait. If you can hold. Who will be the next? Who can read very properly?
What is the meaning of promoter, sir?
फिर से बोलिए.
Promoter, sir.
Promoter.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, promoter क्या होता है? The one who promotes. The one who promotes. All the promoters. Okay, Jyoti. Is she there? No. This one, Shivam Gupta, 43.
Yes, sir. Nuvoco Vistas Corp. Nuvoco Vistas plans to raise 5,000 crore through the initial public offer. The IPO will comprise a fresh issue of rupees 1,500 crore and an offer for sale of rupees 3,500 crore by its promoter entity Niyogi Enterprise Private Limited. Aadhar Housing Finance. According to Aadhar's draft red herring prospectus, the company will issue fresh shares worth rupees 1,500 crore through the initial public offer, and Blackstone will sell its existing shares worth rupees 5,800 crore. Vijaya Diagnostics may issue its IPO worth rupees 2,000 crore, and it will see investors and promoters collectively dilute a 35% stake in the Hyderabad-based company, AMI Organics.
Okay, fine. Now, Gupta, wait. Now you all people will make the list in your notebook, that company and the amount the company wants to raise. Okay, and the initial price. 3 column. Vijay Diagnostic, 2000 crore, the total amount, and then the 1 unit price. एक यूनिट का कितना प्राइस है? 3 कॉलम बनेगा. सोनल क्लियर है? सोनल क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
नेहा कुमारी, it is clear? नेहा कुमारी, it is clear?
सर एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
Very good. तो तुम मेरी बात सुन ही नहीं रही हो. You are not listening, right? You are not
No.
listening. No, sir.
सर सुन रही हूँ, थोड़ा
पता
कुछ
कीजिएगा,
और
पता कीजिए क्या बोला हमने. ठीक है, गुप्ता प्रोसीड.
AMI Organics is expected to bring its initial public offer worth rupees 650 crore in its second attempt to launch an initial share sale. Reports have said the IPO includes a fresh issue of equity shares worth rupees 300 crore and an offer for sale of up to 6.06 million shares by the promoter and existing shareholders. The specialty chemicals will utilize rupees 140 crore from the IPO proceeds towards repayment of certain debt and rupees 90 crore for funding working capital requirements.
Okay, AMI Organics.
Clean,
Proceed. Clean Science Technology.
Clean Science and Technology has fixed a price band of rupees 880 to 900 a share for its over rupees 1,546 crore initial public offer. The 3-day initial public offer IPO will open on July 7 and conclude on July 9. The company said the bidding for anchor investors. Bidding for anchor investors will
Bidding का
open.
मतलब, what is the meaning of bidding? What is the meaning of bidding? 38 Saurav BCA. What is the meaning of bidding? 38 Saurav BCA. Bidding का मतलब क्या होता है? माइक ऑन करके बोलो सौरभ.
देखना पड़ेगा सर.
अरे बिडिंग का मतलब नहीं जानते हो अभी तक?
बोली लगाना सर.
बिडिंग का मतलब बोली लगाना.
बोली
लगाना. बिडिंग मतलब नहीं होता है.
नहीं आ रहा है इसलिए.
मेरी आवाज, तुम्हारा नेट वीक होगा सौरभ.
एक सेकंड सर.
मतलब माय वॉइस इज कमिंग क्लियरली, यस और नो?
यस
सर.
ओके, तो तुम्हारा नेट वीक है सौरभ, उसको एडजस्ट करो. ठीक है. ओके, प्रोसीड.
Bidding for anchor investors will open on July 6. Clean Science Technology IPO is entirely an offer for sale OFS by existing promoters and other shareholders. Arohan Financial Services. Arohan Financial Services may issue its IPO this month, according to reports. The Kolkata-based non-banking financial company's rupees 1,800 crore worth offer includes press issue worth rupees 850 crore and an OFS. It added, Arohan Financial Services received SEBI's go-ahead to float initial share sales in April. The company filed its preliminary papers with SEBI on February 15 and obtained its observations on April 23.
ओके फाइन. सबसे ज्यादा फंड कौन रेस करना चाह रहे हैं अब इसमें? 11 कंपनीज में सबसे ज्यादा फंड विच कंपनी वांट्स टू रेस? एनी आइडिया? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वन. तो खैर वो इसको आप लोग लिस्ट बनाइएगा, विल डिस्कस टुमारो. ठीक है. तो इफ company is raising such a huge amount from the market, ठीक है, it means job opportunity is here, job opportunity इधर है, ये लॉजिक क्लियर हो रहा है? जब कंपनी पैसा इन्वेस्ट करा रही है पब्लिक से, इसका मतलब कंपनी के पास प्लान है एक्सपेंड करने का, कंपनी एक्सपेंड करना चाह रही है, यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Expansion is all about vacancy. Simple. Expansion is all about vacancy for you all people. So that we need to monitor. Okay. So this was the important news. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज अगर आप लोग नोटिस कीजिएगा, वो सिर्फ एक लाइन पूरा भी नहीं था, और वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज था। तो ये नजर पहचानने के लिए, ठीक है, यू शुड डेवलप द नैक, KNAC के नैक का मतलब वो काबिलियत कि हाँ यहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटी है, दैट यू नीड टू डेवलप। ओके फाइन, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जेफ बेजोस। ओके 93 शिवम, 93 शिवम।
Yes, sir. Jeff Bezos, the American business magnate, who is found and chief executive officer CEO of one of the world's
शिवम फाउंड नहीं लिखा हुआ है, फाउंड नहीं लिखा हुआ है शिवम।
founder and chief executive
Founder.
officer. Yes, sir. Founder and chief executive officer CEO of one of the world's largest technological organization, Amazon, and Amazon will step down from the top position on Monday. Andy Jassy, who is serving as the chief of Amazon Web Services, will become the new CEO. However, Bezos, 57, will retain a crucial role as the executive chair at the organization. He will not be a part of the daily management and will spend more time on other projects, including his aerospace company Blue Origin. Bezos,
Okay,
who
stop
is
Shivam
Yes.
stop. Sonal 40. Proceed.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
However, Bezos 57.
Third paragraph. वो
sorry,
पढ़
sir.
चुका है।
Sorry, sir. Bezos, who is currently the richest person in the world, started Amazon as an online bookstore.
अरे ब्रोक नहीं ली फिर।
Sorry, sir. Bookstore. Bookstore at a garage 27 years back. When he packaged order himself and delivered them to post office. Slowly and steadily, he took the organization to new height and expanded its business. The field of e-commerce, artificial intelligence, cloud compounding, digital streaming.
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
Yes, sir. Cloud computing, digital streaming, among many others. Amazon, which is often regarded as the most valuable brand on earth, as market value of over $1.7 trillion. News agency AFP reported on Sunday.
Okay, thank you. Stuti Avasthi 86. Proceed. ये बात तो क्लियर है ना कि जेफ बेजोस स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम अ गैरेज।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो तुम लोग भी गैरेज में शिफ्ट हो जाओ, वहीं रहना शुरू करो, घर में रहना छोड़ो, कोई जरूरत नहीं घर रहने की। स्तुति अवस्थी प्रोसीड 86।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
बोलिए।
सर हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर, CEO और सर चेयरमैन में अंतर क्या होता है सर, डिफरेंट क्या होता है? अभी जो ऊपर दिया था सर,
चेयरमैन में क्या
Yes,
डिफरेंस
sir.
होता है? ओके फाइन, पहले तो CEO का फुल फॉर्म बोलो। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CEO?
चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर।
क्या 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 काम करता है CEO?
वही
जॉब
सर,
प्रोफाइल क्या होता है?
सर कंपनी में सर वो हाथ बटाता है, कंपनी का
कैसे
मतलब वो देखभाल करता है सर।
कैसे देखभाल कैसे करता है?
मतलब
हाउ?
सर मतलब कोई एम्प्लॉय जो है काम कर रहा है कि नहीं, कैसे कैसे काम हो रहा है वो सब।
वो काम सीईओ का नहीं है, वो काम सीईओ का नहीं, वो एचआर मैनेजर का है।
सर
सीईओ का काम
कंपनी
क्या है?
का सर जो पैसा है
जहाँ
कैसे
तक हम
उसको कंपनी को बढ़ाया जाए सर, वो काम सीईओ का है।
कंपनी में 3 रिसोर्स होता है, फिजिकल, ह्यूमन और कैपिटल रिसोर्सेस। फिजिकल, ह्यूमन और कैपिटल रिसोर्सेस, हर कंपनी में 3 रिसोर्स होता है। Yes
फिजिकल
or
और
no?
कैपिटल।
यस सर।
अरे हर
सर
कंपनी में फिजिकल रिसोर्स, अरे बिल्डिंग है, रॉ मटेरियल है, सब फिजिकल रिसोर्स हो गया। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एम्प्लॉय हो गए, कैपिटल रिसोर्स पैसा हो गया। हर कंपनी में 3 रिसोर्स होता है ना।
Yes.
यस सर।
यस सर।
इस तीनों रिसोर्स का समीकरण को इस्तेमाल करके किस दिशा में हमको काम कराना है ताकि मेरा जो प्रॉफिट है, जो अभी जो पैसा है कंपनी का, वो 1 साल के अंत होते होते वो तिगुना हो जाए, वो तिगुना हो जाए, चौगुना हो जाए, 10 गुना हो जाए। यही फैसला लेने का काम सीईओ का होता है। समझ में आया?
यस सर। यस सर।
समझ में आया?
यस सर।
नहीं समझ में आया?
यस सर आ गया।
मेरे
समझ में आ गया सर।
मेरे पास लोग हैं, मेरे पास आदमी है, मेरे पास चीजें हैं, मेरे पास पैसा है। अब हमको किधर फैसला लेना है, क्या क्या काम करना है, ठीक है, क्या क्या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेना है, ठीक है, किस डायरेक्शन में काम करना है, किस दिशा में, सो दैट कि साल के आखिर होने में, ठीक है, फिजिकल ईयर FY या फाइनेंशियल ईयर के अंत होते तक जो भी पैसा, जो कमाई है, जो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, वो 10 गुना हो जाए, 5 गुना हो जाए। यही फैसला लेने का काम सीईओ का है।
सर तो चेयरमैन क्या करते हैं?
चेयरमैन उसको रजामंदी देते हैं कि ठीक है, आप, वो ऊपर और टीम लीडर होते हैं जो कंपनी के मालिक हो गए, वो अब इसमें दिमाग नहीं लगाते हैं कि किधर किधर कैसे काम होना, वो आप कीजिए।
मतलब ये सर हम समझे कि जो चेयरमैन होता है वो टीचर होता है और जो मॉनिटर होता है वो सीईओ होता है।
वैसे नहीं
ऐसे
है बाबू। ठीक है, आगे और समझा देंगे, ठीक है ना? ओके फाइन, इसको आगे और हम लोग क्लियर कर लेंगे, नॉट टू वरी। ओके फाइन, प्लीज कंटिन्यू। स्तुति अवस्थी, आई थिंक 86। पढ़िए, कनेक्शन नहीं है, ठीक है। 32 BCA, 32 BCA,
यस सर।
पढ़िए। अंशु।
Yes, sir. Jeff Bezos' own net worth is close to $200 billion even after a divorce settlement with ex-wife
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie Scott, where he gave a part of this estate.
क्यों तुम्हारी आवाज में दम क्यों नहीं है? मतलब तुम्हें नाश्ता किया है ना, ब्रेकफास्ट किया था, नाश्ता किया
Yes,
है
sir.
ना, कि भूखे पेट हो? आवाज में दम
Yes.
लाओ, आवाज में दम लाओ। तो
Therefore, a question
पढ़ो ठीक से।
Therefore, a question comes up: how rich did Bezos' brainchild Amazon make him? According to Forbes magazine, Jeff Bezos' fortune scores $196 billion since.
अंशु, सोड का मतलब ऊपर बढ़ा, बहुत तेजी से बढ़ना, सोड, SOARED।
Yes, showed $196 billion since 1998, when his name was first registered on the McLaren's list of richest Americans.
Anshu registered
On the McLaren's list of richest Americans. On the other hand, UStoday.com said
Today.com said in its report on Sunday that Bezos'
USA
fortune
Today,
increased.
USAtoday.com, USA, United States of America, USAtoday.com. United States of
USAtoday.com
America,
said
USA.
yes, sir, said in its report on Sunday that Bezos' fortune increased 73% since 2019. 90% of this fortune lies with Amazon, while the remaining in his other projects, including Blue Origin and American Daily Washington Post. The report added. The report also pointed out that Bezos pays a larger amount of income tax. To explain this, the report cited New York City-based non-profit organization Propulsia, which exempt that from the internal revenue service of some of the richest Americans. The data said that Bezos did not pay any federal tax in 2007 when he was already a billionaire. He also did not pay federal tax in 2011 when his net worth was $18 billion and also got a skip circuit job.
Tax credit for his. Okay, fine. 87 Aditya Roshan. At 87 Aditya Roshan. 87.
Yes, sir.
Okay. इसको पढ़िए तो फिर से. The report also pointed out. Last paragraph.
The report.
The report also pointed out.
Yes, sir. The report also pointed out the Bezos pays a larger amount of income tax.
Aditya Roshan. Aditya Roshan.
Yes, sir.
आवाज में दम क्यों नहीं है? आवाज में ताकत क्यों नहीं नजर आ रही हमको? थोड़ा ताकत से पढ़ो.
To explain this, the report cited New York City-based non-profit. Cited New York City-based on non-profit organization ProPublica, which ProPublica, which examined data from the Internal Revenue Service of some of the richest Americans. The data said the Bezos did not pay an federal tax in 2007. When he was already.
नहीं करते हो क्या आदित्य रोशन?
Yes,
तुम
sir.
एक्सरसाइज नहीं करते हो?
Yes, sir.
एक्सरसाइज करते हो?
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारे में तो एकदम दम ही नहीं लग रहा है एकदम. कितना तुम पे प्रेशर लेके पढ़ रहे तुम थोड़ा बाबू एक्सरसाइज करो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ताकि तब जाके आवाज में दम आएगा. ये 83 BCA 12754.
Yes, sir. The reporter also pointed out that Bezos pay a lesser amount of income tax. To explain this, the reporter cited the New York City-based non-profit organization ProPublica, which examined data from the Internal Revenue.
आवाज में दम लाओ ना बाबू. आवाज में दम लाओ ना.
Yes, sir. Data from the Internal Revenue Service of some of the richest Americans. The data said that Bezos did not pay any federal tax in 2007 when he was already a billionaire. He also did not pay a federal tax in 2011 when his net worth was $18 billion and also got a tax credit for his children worth $4,000. The data added.
Okay, thank you. Now it's time for the next class. So